Again for The Law and You, featuring award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Gentlemen, how are you today?
Great.
We love the awards. Love the awards.
Well, they pile up in the office so much so that they hit you in the head when you walk in the door. That's a good thing. All right, let's get to our question involving a car and some insurance here. My son is going to college in the fall, and he's not allowed to take a car. Should I take his car off my insurance? Jack in Sayre wants to know, so should Jack save a couple of bucks here by taking the kid off the insurance?
Well, Jack, I mean, it's a great question, especially considering in a couple months a lot of kids are going to be going back to college. I would recommend that you don't, and the reason being is that even if your son's going to college, they're still going to be driving. And you don't want to have your son off of the insurance. If the car's off the insurance, there may be a lapse in coverage then, and then when you put it back on, it may be more expensive. So it might be painful just to be paying the insurance and having the car sit there, but it's probably worth it. And I'll let Greg talk about some of the other reasons in terms of your un- and uninsured motorist coverages, but it probably makes good sense to leave it on there.
Yeah, and in this situation too, I'd recommend you give your insurance agent a call, because he's the one who could tell you what type of cost savings you can get, the reasons you may or may not want to do it. And again, we don't know your financial position. I know you have a kid going to college, so that's something you have to make those decisions. But the issues are when you start dropping cars, and let's say your son comes home off break and he jumps in the car thinking it's insured and he's in a wreck, then you got a disaster on your hands. So I think you need to work those issues out really with your agent, and then and see what your son's plans are, and then I think you'll probably be in a better position to make that decision.
All right, some good advice. Now, we know Greg loves to hang out answering the hotline.
Love
That's
it.
always a way that our viewers can get in touch with you guys. What are some other options?
Well, they can call us at 570-714-HURT. They could see us on the web at 714hurt.com. They could check us out on Facebook, Twitter,
Snapchat, LinkedIn.
We got it all.
There's a lot of stuff, social media these days. Or go to our Facebook page. And one of the other things on that coverage question is, if you drop them, you have the potential to reduce your coverages as well for your stacked un- and uninsured motorist coverage. So make sure you talk to your agent, but it's probably a better idea to keep them on.
All right, Results Matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks. We'll see you tomorrow.
You got it.
Can't wait.
PAHomepage.com or the hotline, your best ways to get a question featured right here on The Law and You.